What's up, y'all? I'm back with another little food review video, whatever you want to call it, food vlog. In this video today, I go try out a little local food truck to try out some BIRRIA Tacos Y Consume. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So, quick side note, I'm not sure if this is how it's priced everywhere. This is like my second food truck that I've tried the BIRRIA Tacos Y Consume at, and for $20 this is not worth it to me. Then again, it is a food truck. I know I'm gonna have to pay, but be prepared. Just be prepared. So along with the tacos, you get 3 tacos with the consomme, but with the tacos I got a little fresca. I think it was like passion fruit, I want to say. You'll see it here in the frame in a sec. But it was good. I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty good. It was really sweet, but it was good. It was fire. There it is. Alright, y'all, so now here at the Kahlovera food truck. We're gonna try the passion fruit fresca. It's fire. It's fire. Then we also came for the main dish, the BIRRIA Tacos y Consume. About to see what it's hitting for. Alright, bear with me. Alright, y'all. Ain't nothing too special. It's good, but ain't nothing too special. I'm gonna finish it. So with that being said, it to me feels like more of a social media hype right now. It's just now getting popular on the East Coast. I don't know how popular it's been on the West Coast. Drop some comments, let me know. But out of the 2 places I've tried locally, it just doesn't, the BIRRIA Tacos y Consume just doesn't seem to be something that is being hyped as much as it is. If you liked the video, go ahead and, like I said, hit that like button, thumbs up, and we'll see you next video.